Hi guys, I'm going to show you how I achieve this beautiful makeup look which I have on. If you want to see how I do it, please keep on watching this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the button right below. To start, I'll be using the vitamin C serum from Dr. Rachel. I'm going to apply this serum all over my face with my clean fingers. Massage it in. For primer, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. I'm going to also apply the Rimmel primer all over my face, from my forehead down to my nose, my cheeks, my chin, underneath my chin area, that's towards my jaw area. After I've applied the primer all over my face, I'm going to apply foundation. I'm using the Revlon 24 Hours Color Stay Foundation in the shade Caramel. I'm using the foundation brush to apply this foundation all over my face using dabbing motions. I'm just pressing the foundation into my skin to ensure I get a full coverage. Next, I'm contouring my face using the Early Girl Pro Concealer in Mahogany. I'm using very little. see, from how I applied this pink eyeshadow, I could do without using any shadows for my crease area, but I wanted to go in with a pink that had no shimmer, so I'm using that shadow I showed you to blend around my outer V area and also blend it in towards my crease area to sort of define the outer areas where I didn't apply, around the area where I applied that shimmery pink eyeshadow. Yes, it's just to create some definition, because I just didn't want a simple plain shimmy look. I wanted to create some depth to that look with that matte eyeshadow, which I'm using on my outer V area inwards towards my crease, and I'm also applying that same matte eyeshadow to the bottom part of my lash line. Now I'm blending all over my crease area with that same matte eyeshadow. It's time for mascara. I'm using ENL Beauty's volumizing mascara. I'm gonna apply this mascara to my lash line from the up part of my lashes. I already did my lashes before I started my makeup look. I've been finding that it's just easier, because the moment I do my lashes before starting the makeup look, all I have to worry about is just completing the makeup. I don't have to worry about doing my lashes when I'm done with my eye look. So that's just how I've been doing it. I just apply my mascara after I'm done with eyeshadow. If I have any stains from the mascara, I go in with a wipe and